everybody, it's me, Jeremy. We're back again on the range. This time we got a special little treat. We got our Glock 20 10mm. First impressions, I've already fired off a few rounds and I love it. The recoil on it is very controllable. Very controllable. All around, I can't say enough good things about it. If you end up finding one and you got the bucks, highly recommended to get one. You know, being a bigger round, like I had a 40 cal Smith & Wesson Shield, and that little sucker, that bit more than this does. And I don't know, I don't really have much else to say about it. It's got night sights on there, already ready to go. Got 5 in the mag. Let's make it happen. There it is.
All right.
All set. There's 5 down, right on target. Again, if you find one, don't hesitate. Be sure to subscribe and look out for some more Glock videos coming real soon. Thanks.